sitting on top of a TV. Robert, all the phones are dead.
Yeah. Can't afford it.
This stupid call's about to check.
Hey. Excuse me, I have to make a call.
Oh, you taking it too far now, Robert. Quit playing.
Hey, brother man, get off my phone.
Oh, let me go.
I can give you a category 5 ass on it. You keep talking, I'm gonna give you a category 7. Ouch!
Robert, wait, Robert. What would your mama say if she knew you was kicking out your family?
She said, get them broke-ass niggas the f*** out. Jericho Freeman?
Yeah. This is it. Now, you know they said it was going to take you months, but it was shorter. It took short time.
Hey, that's what you talking about, Jeremy. Leave
That's right. Good job, man. Having reviewed your record, we have determined that you have not submitted proof of no residence for 3595-768-5. Your check could not be processed. Fill out the enclosed form, and your check should be mailed out in the next 6 months.
What kind of mess is this? Y'all can fill out the wrong forms or what? Why do you hate us, Father? What have we done to you, Jesus?
I just don't know where we're going to go now.
Why don't you go back to New Orleans? You've been there your whole life. Don't let them take your home away. Not without a fight.
You know, Huey, you right. That's right. That's what we really want to do is go home. Ain't that right, gang?
The Lord's right. The Lord.
Then let's go. Come on, everybody, get your stuff.
Are you ready about that go home?
We just got a check for 200 G's. Nigga, let's roll. Jericho, look, I'm sorry now. You ain't got to start all that apologizing. We both raised better. You know, and I'm still going to break y'all that FEMA check when it show up. You still want it.
Don't worry.
You sure, Robert? Now, you know, the money going to be here in no time, and I mean, it'll be in my pocket sooner than you think.
Oh, that's okay.
Come on now, Robert. Going to be a whole lot of money.
You know, you need it more than me.
I get it. If you don't want none, I understand completely. I wouldn't want to give you something you don't want. That is right. Ain't nobody need to give you something you don't need. If you don't want it, tell you I won't force you. You're just such a philanthropologist. You're such a good giver. That's the thing. You're like a saint. You're like Saint Robert. You know what? It should be a little school dressed up out there and people wearing a little uniform and they come there and they praise you every day. I just tell you, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
It wasn't much, but thank you very much.
Pray for you.
Thank you. Just do it very far That's it. Go back. Sayonara, you sorry niggas. White man brought in the whole Gulf of Mexico to wash y'all niggas away, but go on back. You niggas ain't too good at taking a hint now, are you? Go on. Save New Orleans. What they got down there worth saving? What, jazz? Jazz music? I hate jazz music. Sound like a lone car accident involving some cats. Hey, y'all seen that movie When the Levees Broke? I got a documentary called When the Levees Don't Break Again. I'm gonna get me a dog, name him Levy. I'm gonna kick him every time it rains.